Okay, so the job is partially done. It's in there. The part that was changed out, it's got 83,000 miles on it. The car itself has about 140,000. So that's the old part down there. And we noticed that the old part was actually a used part. So it had been changed out before, and that was not the original. So that was interesting. And but this does have some good low miles on it. So hopefully this should last a good amount of time for them, the customer. Alrighty, and we're going to lower this now and check the steering and see whether that programming was successful.
Sure that light's clear, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's good.
That's a big truck.
Yeah.
It's a really big truck.
It is. Let's go back a bit.
Hopefully that wheel's not going to hit over there.
Looks like it's going to be okay, I think. Let me go around there. Yep, it's going to be fine. There's the keys.
Want to show them this?
Oh, okay, sure. So
do the seatbelt to kind of keep the steering wheel centered.
And it looks pretty centered still. That's good.
Where it didn't move, you know.
Yeah.
So.
What's it doing?
See the wheel turning at all?
Like it's only just moving a little bit like that.
I'm moving it back and forth. You see it moving?
Yeah, a little bit just like that though. It is moving a little bit more now. It's moving. Steering actually feel.
It's soft when we first go, but then it gets hard. It's soft and then hard.
So this here is the tag from the part that we received.
That's a good sign. Then I'm just checking codes under the PCM.
Okay.
See if there's any codes.
Alrighty. So
No fault codes on that either.
Okay, that's good. And so none on the steering and none on the PCM.
It's good there from the start. Ooh. It's freed up.
Freed up now?
Yeah, what was it catching?
I don't know, maybe it was catching. It's turning better now.
Yeah, that was weird. Why was it doing that?
I don't know.
It's turning easy now.
Yeah, I see.
What was it catching?
I don't know. I'm not sure what it was catching.
I don't know what it was catching.
Yes, it was like it was bound up for a little bit there, you know?
Maybe because it sat for a while?
Yes, yep, that's probably what it was. Yep.
Turning good now.
Yeah, it does. It is turning good. That's good. Awesome.
We'll shut off. We'll put the tires on it.
Okay, you want to change all those brakes and rotors though while you're at it? Might as well, because you've got everything already on.
Turning easy now. Look. Look how easy it's turning.
No, but is the steering wheel supposed to go up and down like that?
What do you mean?
The wheel is moving up and down like
that. Is it?
Yeah.
Like the wheel is?
Like the wheel is going up, down.
Oh,
up,
I see
down.
that.
What is that?
God. That could be the intermediate shaft that was binding. That's weird. Why is it doing that? Has it always done that?
I don't know.
Maybe because it's off the ground.
Maybe.
Maybe when you put weight on it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, I've never seen that before, but maybe it's supposed to be like that. So we're gonna get the brakes and rotors changed out now, and then take it for a test drive, and we'll see whether this used part and the programming that it took has succeeded, and we'll let you know. If we post this online, that would be a sign that it did work out well. So if it didn't, we won't post it. So anyway, wish us luck, right?
Exactly. We only post our successes, not our failures.
Yes, exactly. Don't want to teach him on the wrong thing here. Alrighty.